We need to rethink capitalism. And I never thought I would say this to you in my lifetime. I never thought I would say these words. I think Walmart's getting a little loose with their money. I really do. They're starting to pay people a lot more money. They're giving managers now bonuses of up to $20,000 US each year. A Walmart manager can make somewhere between $400,000 and $500,000 in the US. They're raising starting pay for employees, and it's because they have rethought capitalism. Doug McMillon is a smart guy, and he's smart enough to know that today is not 200 years ago. 200 years ago, you had an investor, singular, that would put their fortune into building a business. And so if it was a good year, of course they got the returns because they took all the risk, right? But today, that's not the case. We have a public market. We have millions of shareholders that may own stock in any of the companies that are represented here today. And if you have a bad year, well, whatever, it's 0.1% of my RRSP, my mutual fund. Big deal. I'm probably not even going to notice. But if you have a bad year and you've got to lay people off, who takes the risk? Employees, some of whom may lose everything in that process. So Walmart has rethought capitalism, but not because they're just trying to do a solid for humanity. They've done it because they also know that this breeds loyalty. It breeds retention when you are fair with people, because surprisingly, most people do not feel that they are being treated fairly by their corporations. And I think Walmart has another motivation too. I think Walmart is smart enough to understand, you know what, if we continue to suppress wages, guess what? The people who work for us fall out of the middle class and into the working class, and if we continue, then they go into the underclass, and guess what? They are also our customers. We are literally driving the middle class into the underclass, and so they need to restore that strong middle class.